Hello everyone, how we doing? And welcome back to Bristol Crypto Craig. And as you can see, guys, what a wonderful flag of El Salvador we have there. Great country in my opinion, guys. Well, I've never been to El Salvador, but with the adoption that is taking place in crypto at the moment, it's definitely on my list now of must-see places, guys. There we go. So, going to start off this show, guys, by El Salvador plans to make cryptocurrency legal tender. And I believe this has actually been pushed through Congress, guys, as we speak here. So there's the president there. Says it will make it easier for people to send payments home. So El Salvador's president says he will make the Bitcoin currency legal tender in the country. If his plan is backed by Congress, which I believe it has been, guys, as we speak, the Central American country will be first in the world to formally adopt digital currency. It will be used alongside the US dollar, which is the official currency of El Salvador. So he's basically saying in the short term, this will generate jobs and help provide financial inclusion to thousands outside the formal economy. He told a Bitcoin conference in Florida this week, guys, in Miami, of course, adding that it could also boost investment to the country. So let's have a look at this tweet here that he's got. Has a market cap of $680 billion, as we know. If 1% of it is invested in El Salvador, that would increase their GDP by 25%. On the other side, Bitcoin will have 10 million potential new users and the fastest growing way to transfer $6 billion a year in remittances. So, as I said, guys, I believe it is being passed as we speak in Congress. The move would open up financial services to the 70% of Salvadorians who do not have bank accounts, the president said. So El Salvador's economy relies heavily on remittances and money sent from abroad, which make up around 20% of the country's gross domestic product. So more than 2 million Salvadorians live outside the country, but they continue to keep close ties to their place of birth, sending back more than $4 billion. Dollars, guys, which is just under 3 billion sterling each year. So this is insane news for crypto, guys. Now, this is going to improve the lives of a lot of people for El Salvador, guys. I mean, if this goes through Congress, which it looks like it is going to go through now as we speak, this means now, of course, that it'll be a legal tender. So they go to a shop. It means that you can buy stuff and you have to set Bitcoin now. I don't know if there's any Tesla dealerships in El Salvador. It means that Tesla will once again have to accept Bitcoin, I guess. It's going to be awesome, guys. It's awesome. And I'm also hearing today that a lot of other South American countries as well, their presidents were tweeting their laser eye pictures. Argentina, I believe Brazil, Paraguay, Uruguay, Peru, all these places, guys, all these South American countries, Colombia, they're all looking now at adopting the currency and following the suit of El Salvador, guys. This is now absolutely insane news, everyone. So yeah, this maybe things are picking up, guys. I think we're already seeing the actual influx on the markets of this as we speak. Has anyone out of interest, quickly before we move on, has anyone been keeping an eye on Data Streamr coin today, guys? Data's on an absolute roll. We haven't hit all-time highs or anything like this, of course, but we have been in a downward trend, and we did actually peak out earlier at over 21 cents. And we have come down now on the wick to about 15 cents. But look at this candle here, guys, today. Massive moves for Data coin. Not sure, has there been any announcements on Data Streamr on network? Any new progress on the coin? Any announcements today? If you could drop me a comment section, guys, and let me know about that. I don't know what's going on with Data today, but something has obviously made it pump. I mean, it could just be the fact that, the markets are remaining bullish. If we were in a bear market, I don't believe you'd be seeing 200% gains for an altcoin like Data coin, guys. In the 2017 bull run, we saw coins suddenly start popping up 100, 200% randomly. On different occasions, guys, on various days. So maybe it's just an influx of that. I want to also go on to an article, guys, today as well that I've seen. It's really interesting as well, okay? So basically, I found this interesting article. A lot of people are talking about the Bitcoin bull run. It's starting to look a lot like 2013 rather than 2017. after the record red monthly candle. So I just want to read this out quite briefly here, which I believe this could be playing out in this cycle as well. Long-term price forecast based on 2 stock to flow remain intact, said Plan B after last month's record red candle. Bitcoin may have just had its worst monthly candle in 10 years, but it could still surge new all-time highs this year, said popular analyst Plan B. It's a really interesting article, guys. I just thought I wanted to bring to your attention, really. In a tweet on Tuesday, the creator of the stock-to-flow-based Bitcoin price model said that Bitcoin is behaving like during its 2013 bull run, which I can see. There are a lot of similarities there. Stock-to-flow intact after the May drop. Now, after it's dropped to 30k and several retests that level, concerns are starting to appear over a bigger drop taking Bitcoin towards 20k and lower. Now, I think now, guys, I'm thinking the bottom. We have seen the bottom in, as we've seen today. We have seen like small recoveries. I mean, are the wells moving in? Maybe the bulls are moving in to, to save this market. It's possible. But anyway, this would mean that for the first time, Bitcoin crosses the all-time high from a previous bull market, in this case from 2017. Plan B, however, such an event is unlikely. Moreover, recent price action is far from unheard of. In fact, it could just mean that the market is rehashing its 2013 rather than 17 performance. Uploading the latest incarnation of his stock-to-flow cross-assets called S2FX model, he highlighted similarities between 2021 and Bitcoin's behavior from years gone past. Now, the new dot may close 37,341, minus 35%. We knew Bitcoin would not go up in a straight line, and several minus 35% drops are possible. And we had that and more, guys, didn't we? In a bull market, and they are likely, and that is normal. We had like a brutal... like nearly 50%, didn't we? But so starting to look like 2013. So here's a chart, guys, here. Okay, this is the Bitcoin stock to flow cross asset model. Okay, 100 trillion USD. Okay, and as you can see here, 2014. We were here. Okay. We have nowhere near accomplished where I believe this market can go, guys. We haven't seen the altcoins fly. We haven't seen a proper altcoin season. Like I said earlier today on my preview video, we have seen a altcoin season last summer. Yeah, we did, and Bitcoin has gone up from $3,000 to over 60, which obviously is a 20 plus X. Yeah, that's phenomenal. Insane. Bitcoin to go 20X. Absolutely incredible. In just over a year, I think it was. So don't get me wrong, you know what I mean? This we have had, this has been going well. We have had major boosts, but we haven't had what I would call a proper alt season when everything goes parabolic. And I believe things like Link and Polkadot are still asleep. I do not believe they've even woken up yet, guys. They haven't even got out of bed. Those coins have got so much more to offer, guys. So much more. I believe there's so much more to come. So, I mean, let's just look at this stock to flow index here. You can see when we top out here. 2013 going into 2014, what happened here? 2017, what happened here? Guys, this is where we are. If you look at this, you can quite clearly see the similarity in the patterns, can't we? Going up here, let's see, dip back down before going up parabolic again. And this is just what's going on here. This is just what's going on, guys. Look, you can literally trace this here. You see what I'm saying here, yeah? Just look at this part of the cycle here. Up here, a dip back down. Up here, a dip back down. And then we go parabolic. Well, I believe this is what's playing out, guys. I believe we are in this phase here now where things are going to go absolutely nuts. I mean, you can literally see it, can't you? 2017 was a different ballgame altogether. Okay, we kept going up in steady increments, didn't we? This one, we've gone up. I think we're going to have a correction. The correction is here, and then we're going to move on. You can just literally see where this is going, guys, can't you? I believe that is where we're headed. Let me know. I'm on the hopium. Maybe I'm, you know what I mean? Maybe I'm trying to hold on to a bit of hope here. Maybe I'm clutching straws here. But to me, you can literally see where that is literally similar. Okay, it's not exact, is it? Okay. But you go down and back up. See, guys, I think, I believe it. Just think about it. Have a look. So, back to carrying on the story, guys. So let me know what you think. Can you see what I'm saying there? New all-time highs are still in play, guys. Stock to flow places Bitcoin in multiple phases in which it goes from a fringe phenomenon to a full-blown asset class. Its ambitious forecast call for an average Bitcoin price of just under 300k. Insane. During the current halving, which runs between 2020 and 2024. The pullback sparked questions over the model's longevity, which Plan B has always stressed is not guaranteed. Nonetheless, with its demand still met by the market, the 2013 narrative remains a strong contender for explaining Bitcoin's wild ride this year. And here you see it again, guys. This one here, Trading View, June the 1st. Bitstamp, Bitcoin and USD, okay? Now just look at this here, 2013, okay? Insane pumps, followed by dumps. And then recoveries as well later on. So, you know, guys, this is I don't know. I just call it a 6%, as I said earlier on my video, guys. But I don't feel this bull run is over. I really don't think. I think this could be like a half time. As Cointelegraph reported, accumulation practices among long-term holders may also result in a double top scenario playing out in 2021, just as we looked at on the charts, guys. And Peter Brandt, who is arguing for such a scenario this week, a rush to all-time highs may come only after a further dramatic pullback. This in itself, however, would also be in line with historical precedents. So, I don't know, guys. Just an interesting article there I thought I'd bring to your attention there. Really interesting, but you know. Let me know what you think, guys, in the comment section. The markets, well, Bitcoin. Have the bulls moved in that, guys, to try and save it? We're up 11% today. We are back above that 36k mark. Like I was saying yesterday, I didn't want to see us go below 30k. If it went below 30k, yeah, it was poor times, guys. You know, back into the 20s, it would have been hard to come back from. But I called yesterday. I need to see us back up to that $36,000 mark, guys, and there it is. We are back on $36,000 again. You know, we are seeing small movements, albeit for the altcoins too. Like I said, Datacoin today has gone absolutely insane with 200% gains. You know, this sort of movement I wouldn't be expecting to see in a bear market. If we're going into a bear market, I don't see an altcoin doing a 200% gain. I really don't. Okay, guys, let me know what you think. So we're up to 431 guys on the subscribers there. Thanks for all the new support and returning members, guys. You've seen the rest. Now come and subscribe to the best. You know what I'm saying there, right? The best channel. Right, okay, so Luna Crush, guys, is showing coin of the day as Algorand. I'm quite surprised not to see Datacoin, Streamr coin there today. I really am. I thought with its with its 200% gains, we could be seeing that today, but obviously not. So let's have a look at the market cap, guys, as well. I wanted to have a look at today. Because it has dipped recently, there's no doubt about it. The total market cap has gone down a lot, hasn't it? Let's have a look. Let's just zoom out a little bit here, shall we? On the free monthly. Here we go. You know, so I mean, back a month ago, the market cap was not quite double, is it? But you know, you can see the market cap there has gone down significantly. You know, we were on an upward trend here. You know, obviously it's dropped and now it's hovering around this line here of resistance. You know, just here trying to break through again. Bitcoin dominance is also back up to 42%, I believe everyone at the moment. So 42.5. Maybe we need Bitcoin to recover a bit and back about 38, 40k, guys, and then we can start looking at some more alt flow again, back into the altcoins. But anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. Just want to bring that to your attention today, and don't forget the El Salvador, guys. Look at this chart. Let me leave you with this chart, guys. Just look at this and just compare that 2013 run to this run that we're having now, and tell me that you honestly do not see similarities in that run and don't think it's going to play out the same way, guys, and we are going to recover and go on higher. Thanks for watching Bristol Crypto Craig, guys. Please subscribe and like the channel. Try and get my algorithm out to more people. But yeah, every time I look at that chart, it does give me hope, and it does give me a lot more bullish feeling about this bull run, guys. Peace out. Thanks for watching. See you later.